educators, it's Carrie from Thriving with Thurmanator, and I just wanted to share with you a really quick tip on how to change those ugly blue file folders over on the side that holds all your good stuff to something that you would enjoy looking at. So I'm going to start by making a new folder. I'm not going to name it, I'll just kind of leave it there. And I don't want that blue folder, I want something a little cuter. So I am going to open up a PowerPoint, just a blank PowerPoint, and I am going to insert some kind of shape here. And I'm going to fill that shape with a cute color. And let's put an outline on it, and let's always put in a drop shadow, right? Because you can always put in a drop shadow. So I have my outline. I'm going to put in a text box, and let's call this folder, and because I don't know what else to call it. I'm going to pick whatever font that I want. If you remember, I totally made my own font the other day, so let me use that. So look at, there's my handwriting, huh? All right, so now I have this folder here. So I am going to highlight all of this and double click, 2-finger click, save as picture. I'll save it as a folder icon on my desktop. Okay, and I'll minimize there. I'm going to want to open that folder icon that I just made and click select all. I'm going to Command C to copy that. And now I'm going to come over to my untitled folder here. I'm going to 2-finger click and get the info. And I'm going to click up here where you see it says untitled folder. I'm going to click on that picture and I'm going to Command V. And now I no longer have that hideous blue folder icon. I have something a little bit more personalized and something that I would rather look at. So you can choose to leave the names underneath the folders. If you want to get rid of the names and you just want the picture of the folder, I just put in a whole bunch of space bars. That it'll let me. So now I just have that folder just kind of sitting there, chilling on my desktop. So I don't know if you knew that trick, but I wanted to share it with you today because I like to change my file folders frequently. So if you have any questions or comments, or if you need more help changing your file folders, please reach out to me and let me know. All right, y'all, that's all I have for today. If you found this video helpful, remember to like, subscribe, and share with anyone you think might find this helpful. Until next time, bye.